in your free resources, you will also find a 3-part documentary on Mozart's life and music. These are a wonderful visual story and music that you can watch and listen to anytime. And you can also share these links with your students so they can watch it at home if you don't have time to do it during class. And again, these are YouTube videos that we have simply assembled to save you hours of time looking for what might or might not work, to cover all of the requirements as needed. So this is a great 3-part documentary. My students have really enjoyed watching it too. 3 powerful teaching techniques. The 3rd powerful teaching technique is challenge. Challenge-based learning is a collaborative learning experience in which teachers and students work together to learn. Challenge your students through various activities. It's super fun. Challenge your students through singing. When learning about Mozart and Twinkle Twinkle Little Star, here's a little challenge in singing the musical alphabet song.
We are talking about Sola and Tito, and Sola loves to sing, right? Mm-hmm. So today we're going to have Sophia and Jillian sing the alphabet song. And what song was it based on?
Twinkle, Twinkle, Little Star.
Twinkle, Twinkle, Little Star. So let's sing it together. Are you girls ready? Mm-hmm. Okay. I'll start you off, and then you guys are going to do it by yourself.
Okay.
Ready? Here we go. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, G, F, E, D, C, B, A. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, G, F, E, D, C, B, A. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, G, F, E, D, C, B, A.
Challenge your students in playing games. I met Joanne Barker when she completed the Ultimate Music Theory Certification course and became our UMT Games creator. Not only did she create our UMT Games series, which are amazing and really fun, with 6 laminated theory games in each pack, but she also created a special game in each supplementary workbook. In the Level 2, the game is called Tonic Mountain. Not only can your students identify the tonic chords, but challenge them to play the tonic. It's really a fun game. In the Prep 2 workbook, we also included the 80 free flashcards. Now, flashcards challenge are really fun when you add that extra element and include using the whiteboard with your flashcards to complete the challenge. Identify a key on the keyboard and then draw a line to it on the staff and connect it to the correct pitch on the piano. Flashcards are fun drills that dramatically increase retention, and it's why we've included them in your workbook. The Ultimate Music Theory app. As I said, if you haven't got it yet, it's one thing you definitely want to use in your studio. Here's all the details.
Welcome to the one and only Ultimate Music Theory app. Does learning music theory sound boring and frustrating? Well, not anymore. Here's a backstage pass, so you can see exactly how the Ultimate Music Theory app works and hear how this proven system helps you learn faster. The UMT app gives you unlimited access to over 7,000 expert-designed music theory flashcards at your fingertips, with amazing features that include audio. We've partnered with Brainscape to create the most efficient, intelligent flashcard system on the planet. Now you can easily learn how to read, hear, and identify music notation, develop and improve your sight reading and ear training skills, plus be well prepared and on your way to score 100% on theory exams. And best of all, you can study on all your devices, computer, tablet, or phone. The Ultimate Music Theory app offers unique learning features, as we're the only app with matching theory workbooks, including Beginner, Prep 1 and Prep 2, Basic, Intermediate, Advanced, and the all-in-one Complete Music Theory Workbook, a proven system to maximize learning. To start learning, simply choose a subject from the library. There are 6 progressive theory subjects: Beginner, Basic, Intermediate, Advanced, Ear Training, and Concepts in Music Trivia. Choose a deck to start studying. Each theory subject has 12 decks that correlate to the matching Ultimate Music Theory workbook and 12 lessons. Rate how well you know the answer on a scale of 1 to 5. 1 meaning not at all, and 5 meaning perfectly. Answer the question and tap to see the answer. Tap the audio button to hear cards with audio play again. Tap the star to bookmark cards for easy review. Learn to identify visual and audio cards. Now you can easily build knowledge from beginner to advanced. Plus, you can choose how to study each deck and measure progress. When you purchase the UMT app program, simply click on Claim My Access to register, sign up with Facebook or your email address. Once you're logged into the Ultimate Music Theory flashcards in Brainscape, bookmark brainscape.com in your browser to quickly access your UMT flashcards anytime. Here's a huge bonus gift. Not only do you have unlimited access to the Ultimate Music Theory flashcards, but you also have full access to Brainscape's many other top certified subjects, including languages, history, geography, and so much more. Click Ultimate Music Theory to study this subject and dramatically improve your music theory knowledge. You can study on your computer or your mobile device. On your tablet or smartphone, simply download the Brainscape mobile app from the App Store. In the mobile app, just log in with the same email address, and you'll have full access, plus your progress will be synced to all of your devices. Studying from your computer, tablet, or phone just got easier with the Ultimate Music Theory Flashcards app. Get started today.
Analysis and Sight Reading Challenge. When composer Julianne Warkentine completed the Ultimate Music Theory certification course, she shared her passion for building music theory concepts into the Ultimate Piano series. Now in Level 2, you will find Julianne's composition called The Baby Butterfly. And the challenge, can you help the baby butterfly get all the way to sola and remember to use your pedal as indicated? And in these pieces, you will also find the new concepts that have been introduced in the supplemental level. I am very excited to introduce the Sola and Tito pack. This includes the 2 plush stuffies, Sola and Tito, the music theory guide and chart, song, and stickers. And in fact, my student loved their Sola and Tito pack so much, they did a bit of a challenge for my other students. So once you get your Sola and Tito pack, learn the Sola and Tito song, it's included in your pack. And here's the challenge. You can sing it, play it, or dance to it. See who has the most interesting performance, and then send us your YouTube link, and you may win a free Sola and Tito sticker pack. So here's the first entry so you can see the challenge. And pay special attention to the very end of the video. Here they are.
The Sola and Tito song. Tito loves to tap. Tee-tee-ta, tee-tee-ta, ta-da-tee-ta. Rest. Sola loves to sing. Adding sparkles, phrase legato, and fermento too. Tito loves to count. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. 1, 2 and 3, 4. Sola loves to dance. Stepping up, skip down, and step. Let's sing Sola Tito. Sparkle like a sola.
Today, we learned 3 powerful teaching techniques. Connect with your students, connect the music, implement the lessons learned, imagine, create, and explore performance. Challenge your students and challenge yourself to learning in fun and different ways. And I have one more powerful teaching technique that is a little bonus for you today. And it's a big one that may even be the most important one, and that is be teachable. If you want to learn, be teachable. Find the pathway of learning to those with a teachable spirit. Being teachable is a choice. Meet one very teachable Ultimate Music Theory certified teacher from Northern Canada. Yes, you can tell it's Northern Canada. Look at all that snow. Welcome, Judith, guys. Here's what Judith had to say about the UMTC course.
Hi, my name is Judy Geese, and I've been teaching piano for decades, and I just wanted to talk to you about the Ultimate Music Theory certification course. I took it last year, and I was amazed at how the concepts were put forth and how gradual it was and how easy it seemed to other curriculums that I have taught. I have had students that when you mention the word theory, they go, oh, not theory, I hate theory. But once they've taken this course and the workbooks that go with this course, they are very pleasantly surprised at how they can actually do this. And it's not even a drudgery. They just love doing it. They love learning it, and it clicks with them as we're doing the practical piano side as well. So I would really advise you, if you're looking for a theory curriculum, try this one. I don't think you'll ever leave this. Another thing that I find really helpful is because of the RCM changes to the theory syllabus, I was a little bit worried about, okay, now what am I going to do, because there's a few things that have changed. But Gloria and her staff are right on it, and they've got the workbooks that go with the main workbook to address this problem and the changes that have come up. So I'm very satisfied and very happy with this course, and I've started students that I didn't usually start theory with so far because I thought, oh, they're kind of on the edge, but it has really been good for them. And I am just thankful to Gloria and her staff for giving us this kind of curriculum that we can use. I love the workbooks, and the correction books are just the same as the workbooks. You open up to the same 2-page layout and it matches exactly. Also in the workbooks, there's something for the student to do on every page. So that keeps their attention, and also it's very gradual, and they're going to get this. If you've had problems with students not really getting the concepts, this is something that will work for them. Thank you for listening.
In the UMTC course, you will learn how to connect with your students in their learning style, implement teaching music theory with 50 step-by-step videos, challenge yourself to expand in new ways of learning, be teachable. Register for the UMTC course today. Go to ultimatemusictheory.com or ultimatemusictheorycourses.com to enroll now. Here's to your success. I'm so happy you're joining me today. Be sure to get registered for the UMTC course and grab your UMT workbooks, your supplemental workbooks, games, and of course your Solentito pack, and implement the lessons learned here today. And if you have anything that you're wanting to know in particular about the Ultimate Music Theory certification course or the workbooks, exams, or supplemental works, I'm happy to answer them for you. Thank you so much for joining me here today.